Hey everyone, Happy New Year! Well, it's the day after New Year's, so I'm a day late, so I did this last year, but who cares, right? Okay, apologies for the noise in the background if you can hear cars going by, because I have the door open and I'm trying to let all the air out, but there's that. So, with that aside, remember when I told you the video before that that last running session of 2018? I did say I was getting a new locomotive, and if you guys guessed it, you guys get 10 points. But you already know what it is by the title of this video. And also, after I made that last running session video that was uploaded on Christmas Eve, it arrived. Legit, it actually arrived right after I made that video. It was back on December 19th, and this was supposed to arrive today, which is January 2nd. But yeah, it's so surprising that it came so early and so quickly. Anyways, let's unbox this. So yeah, like I said, this model came in pretty early. I bought this on was it December 13th? I think it was December 13th, and this thing arrived 6 days later. So yeah, there's the code label, whatever you call it, R3060 Tornado BR Class A1. So my first ever locomotive that is, or my first ever British locomotive that is not a Gresley design. How's that now? All my engines that I had before this one are all Gresley design, are all Gresley, and well, this one's from the LNER too, but it was never designed by Sir Nigel Gresley. But yeah, so anyways, let's unbox this, shall we? This thing was a pain to get back in the box last night. Well, I always do that. I always put things in the boxes the night before, so I don't like taking them out or putting them back in the box 5 minutes ago and taking them out again. I don't know why. Here's the instructions that this thing came with. Class A1 Tornado. Usual stuff. Lubrication, accessories, DCC decoder, all that jizz. So there's that. Now let's get into the main event. So, to be honest, what I don't like about this loco is that I think it's a bit too fragile to be a railroad model. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. Let's get the tender out. I think that one's a bit easy. Yep, it was. There you go. Well, the tender is pretty basic, to be honest, but well, for how it is, it's supposed to be. I got this for a really good price too. Now the engine itself, the beautiful Tornado. Ooh. Oh, this is embarrassing. Oh, there we go. I just got it. There we go. Look at that. I think I got the updated version because this one's got glazed windows, while the previous models didn't. That's yeah. I think what I mean by too fragile is that the handrails, they don't look too robust, and the smoke deflectors, oh my god, can you see that? These things can bend pretty easily. So yeah, guys, if you have this, for the love of God, for God's sake, be very careful with this, because this thing could break easily. But yeah, other than that, it's a nice model, a really nice model, and my first ever British locomotive that's not a Gresley design. How about that now? Well, I know I said it before, but I'll say it again. So yeah, let's see, there's a tender. Let me grab it and connect it with the locomotive. How about that now? Look at that. Look at that. Alright, I'll put this on track, and oh, there we go, put it down. put it on the track. Let's see how it runs. So today I am going to be running Tornado on the outside line because I think it just looks better. I did run it on the outside line when I first got it. So yeah, there's that. Alright, she's on a track. And I had to take the inner lines cable out because when this thing goes over that little lump, it just doesn't like it. It derails a lot. So yeah, excuse me. Now let's give it some power. It's moving. Yeah, it's not easy to get these things going slow on a Bachmann Easy Command controller. But yeah, it's pretty smooth. I like it. And hopefully, if I make it to the end of this video, or if I put it to the end, I'm gonna do something that I've never done before, and I want to save it for the video. And yeah, there's the coaches to it. They're simple, plain old LNERT coaches. So let's back it up. There we go. Now let's take it around. Look at that. It's running like a angel or beauty, whatever you call it. It runs fantastically. I got that for Christmas. What do you think about that? Alright. Yeah, this is awesome. Why don't we send it to go faster? Yes. That's so awesome. Okay guys, and this is something that I want to do, and I hope I can fit this in. I hope so. All of my, what I meant to say, that all my engines, apart from this one, does not have a front coupling. So, if you all know where I'm going at, oh yes, I've been saving it for this video. I've never done this before. I'm gonna make Tornado go tender first. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you live in Britain, or obviously if you live anywhere else in the world, if you don't know about this, what I meant by that is that steam engines back in the day and today, obviously, this is seen loads and loads of times. They are always going tender first. Well, they also pull coaches from the back too, obviously, but yeah, just something like this I've been seen loads of times. And yeah. Sorry about the edit there, everybody. I actually had to drive somewhere before I made the engine even move. So yeah. Anywho, now let's watch this locomotive pull its coaches in reverse. I have never done this before, so here we go. There it goes, just kicked in. Alright. Look at that. I've never done that before. Ever. That is something really new in my layout. This is seen in Great Britain all the time. All the time. I guess they don't have time to turn around. That's so neat. Ever since I got into British trains, I've always never been a fan of locomotives holding their cars in reverse, because to me it wouldn't look right. Even the A4s and all the other locomotives that are streamlined, because well, to me, even to Intercity 82, it defeats the design, or it totally ruins the design of the streamlining. Like if the engines are coupled to the coaches on the front, it just won't look right. But yeah, there's a tornado. I'll let it run by, and I'll see you guys soon. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.